Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we're going to be showcasing a special chemical called Keetrol Plus. So, you shocked your pool and it turned green, but your pool's balanced. There's no algae present, but you may have filled off of a well and your water has turned into a green or a brown color. Minerals are generally present in your well water, or depending on your town, maybe even your water supply. They're not harmful, but when they react with chlorine, they can change your pool all kinds of different colors. Depending on the minerals present, the water can change to green, brown, or any variety almost immediately after adding shock to your pool. But by adding Keetrol Plus, you're able to reverse the process and put the minerals back in solution, thus removing the discoloration. Keetrol prevents metallic stains, rust and scaling, and eliminates discolored water. Keetrol Plus is a special product of polymer chemistry that was developed to cope with extreme problems due to minerals such as calcium, manganese, iron, and copper. Its main advantage as a product is when used according to directions, it will help correct all mineral problems such as scaling, staining, and water discoloration. An example dosage would be 32 ounces per 25,000 gallons of pool water. Keetrol Plus is available on our website or in any of our 3 locations. Thanks for watching.